You are 2 minutes away from Yahoo.
Wait, DJ, where the money they come from? Which side? No, this man, this Obi man, he don't understand what they happen here. But okay, this table, narrow table. You see, comedy is making people. Comedy is good. Please, can you clap for all the comedians? Yes. Now, bank I dey work before. I dey work for bank marketing department. I trek. So the road safety call me, come. They say I don't try. They give my shoe plate number. Now I say God forbid me and bank again. I enter comedy face hustle and bustle. These hustle and bustles are we will die there. These hustle and bustles we will die there. Where is Empress? Empress, hello. This Empress. If you know Empress will chat you 6 a.m. You go see hi, no reply, na trap. You see, go show online. You go show typing. She go say, how are you? Still leave her, no reply, na trap. She will go the type. You go to see the thing, go to show typing. You go to show online, typing, message one drop. Then when the message come finally drop, you can see you have lost a special place in my heart. And so she did. So ladies and gentlemen, please, if you know you are Igbo and you are here, please clap for yourself. The Igbo people are the best set of people I like. Now, Igbo people get two type of waka. Then Obi Cubana get the way they waka. Then the other set get the way they waka. What shortcut? Short. Now when we go Oba, when our chairman hosts people for Oba during the mother burial, I see all those people. See the way they waka. Igbo people get two types of waka. Now Obi Cubana, when they waka is different. Now then they get hustle and bustle, they get Cubana, they get money. Their waka different. When I say as Obi they waka, DJ you play doings. Hold on. When Obi come, when they call am say Obi don that time shortcut. Now for East, who will they get MC for Abuja? For East they get Emusi. So Emusi call Obi Cubana.
An MC can get ball leg. Okay now. Cha Igbo gun. Oye na bia na Obi Cubana.
DJ you go play. DJ wait. DJ Obi Cubana dey always dey press for every day waka. I don't know who dey always chat. You see as Obi Cubana dey waka, simple, he get money, he dey waka big boy. Now, the other type of Igbo, those ones they go school. Those ones they wear short knicker, wey get pocket for here. They wear palm, their leg dey enter because their leg big, so no be all the leg dey enter the palm. They hold key and they like go see some block mass for Catholic church. Now when they call one, he hold purse. I need purse, Nero. I go need your purse. They have money inside. No, the Igbo man hold purse when they call am. No be this purse the money dey dey. I know where e dey. So Emuti call that Igbo man. Hold on. Those ones they get shop for inside the Chabe market. They sell book shop. They sell wiper, all these spare parts for inside Chabe market. DJ. MC. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Can you MC Papi?
Idiot. That waka kill you there. Papi for constant, you dey kill for stage now. No, they know they do am in secret. You go there like say, come here, the suffer the guy, wetin be work? Come, make him stand up, then work to come give you money. My friend, come here.
Come. When those boys they do now, 5 from there, watch my mama to they come and go back. Do the right thing, my friend. Then when they come out comedy club, now you say 200. Come on, do something.
Come, oh boy. Come, to beat you no hard though.
Then if you want to do something, do aware.
As you see papi like this, as you treat papi so na arm rubber before.
DJ, you play music now. MC, don't they carry the load? DJ, hold on.
Papi na so that we go now.
Obi Cubana, you dey here. Your staff, another person dey give him money. You dey here. Somebody dey help your own boy. Why you dey do like this? Same person. Okay. Costa, account number.
Oga say send account.
Oga na joke in the
Grace. You dey joke. Come on. Hey, get up here.
I never talk this thing. The last time we try this thing, Obi call us for night. He said that money was dash for stage. Come out from salary.
Oga na joke because this kind of thing Costa no dey use am play. He say Oga share it.
You remember that? Be honest, the money is not complete. You remember that time that Obi Cubana gave you money? You say yes, that is the money.